Here in this video, we are solving a question in say Newton laws of motion or laws of motion that appeared in NEET 2023. Let us see what is that question is. Calculate the maximum acceleration of a moving car so that the body lying on the floor of the car remains stationary. Let us try to understand what the meaning of this is. There is a moving car on a road, right? So let's say this is the car moving, having some acceleration. We have to find out. In that moving car, we have to keep a body. This is the body that we have kept. And that body has to remain, who is on the floor of the car, has to remain constant. The first thing is, you are trying to study a body. A body has to be studied, a body has to be observed. Who is in a moving frame. The car is a reference for the body, but that car is moving with some acceleration. Then this frame becomes a non-inertial frame. You cannot apply Newton laws of motion to a non-inertial frame. So what we have to do is, we shall imagine a pseudo force on the body so that the non-inertial frame is just converted into an inertial frame. So what we shall imagine is, on this body we shall imagine a pseudo acceleration as much as the car has. So if you consider that motion of that body is even in which direction this is supposed to move. As the car is moving forward, this moves backward and try to slip out of the open floor if it is there. So motion is backward. As it is moving backward, the frictional force acts in a forward direction, right? So for the car, for the box not to slip, for the body not to slip, what is the condition? For the body not to slip on the floor, forces has to be balanced. That is, force acting in a backward direction due to the pseudo force shall be equal to force acting in forward direction due to frictional force. Force acting in backward direction is ma, frictional force is mu into normal reaction. You know, weight is the force acting downward, normal reaction is equal to weight. So mu into mg of that body is mu into m into a, where a is the pseudo acceleration. So these m's can be cancelled. So resultant maximum acceleration that the car can have is mu g, a equal to mu g. So if the car is having more than that, friction is unable to control that, then the body will move. So acceleration a equal to mu g. Mu is given for you in the problem as 0.15, g is given as 10. So 0.15 into 10, that is 1.5 meter per second square, which is the answer for the problem. So to solve this problem, we shall know the concept of pseudo force. Whenever a body is moving in a non-inertial frame, to balance that we shall imagine a pseudo force acting on the body of equal magnitude but in the opposite direction. That's what the concept involved in understanding this problem. Thank you for watching.